So, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to join the police dog squad, and if I have an option, I will choose the airport. Yeah, because it's fun sniffing out things at the airport. Because the other day I saw in YouTube, and they look cool sniffing, taking dogs and making them sniff in the airport.
Why? Why airport?
Because it's fun in the airport. It's a big place. There are lots of people to sniff, and then sometimes there may be people carrying drugs, and so I can catch them. So it'll be fun.
Do you know that people carry drugs on their body inside? They put it in the pindi and all. Seriously, I'm not joking.
So, how are you going to go about becoming a police officer?
Like I'm going to first join the Bangalore Dog Squad training place, and then I'm going to buy a German Shepherd.
First thing, you please do your homework as to how you join the dog squad.
Yeah,
you have to do your homework.
Yeah. So I'm going to get to know how to join the dog squad. Then I may choose a lab, or a Belgian Shepherd, or a German Shepherd, or an Alsatian. So yeah.
Why them?
Because they're all good sniffers, good runners. Yeah.
Which of them are the best sniffers?
For now, the Belgian Shepherd. There may be some other dog which they can train to be.
I thought hounds were the best sniffers.
Yeah, but till now, Belgian Shepherds have the record that they've been trained the best to train to sniff.
Yes.
In Guinness World Record, they have won the sniff.
But where all do they have Belgian shepherds?
In most of in all the airports.
But which countries?
Almost every country.
Not in India.
Yeah, in India.
Too?
Yeah.
I've seen only labs.
But you see German Shepherds.
Belgian
I'm
shepherd.
sorry, Belgian Shepherds.
Where?
In the same that place in the entrance.
In India?
Yeah, you think they're German Shepherds, they're Belgian Shepherds. They don't have all the black face on them. So yeah.
Why police officer?
I want to catch some criminal. Like in school, I got me and my friends had a team of cop, and then we all were going to help the school, like no stealers. And our classmate was stealing something from a birthday boy from 2nd grade, and then we caught him, and it felt good, so I wanted to become a cop. No crime. Yep.
And what do you have to say about the corrupt officers?
First of all, what is corrupt officer?
Like officers who have been corrupted.
How? What do you mean by that?
Corrupted meaning of become bad.
How?
Blackmailing
How?
other people.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're going to be a good cop?
Yeah.
Like, you won't beat people when you catch
What was
them?
your question?
No. I don't beat people. If it becomes too much and he still tries to escape, after he puts his hands up, I'll say get on the floor. If he doesn't do that, I keep saying it and he refuses and runs away. That time I'll have to send out my dog, or I will have to shoot his legs. Yeah.
What was your question about corruption?